Hi boys and girls, welcome back. Today our genre study is going to be realistic fiction. We left off before winter break talking about point of view and fiction. I just want to go back over what realistic fiction is. It tells a story about characters and events that are like those in real life. Realistic fiction tells a story through the plot, which includes a conflict and its resolution. Realistic fiction may also include a flashback, and we know that a flashback is an event that happened in the past, okay? Realistic fiction also may include natural sounding dialogue that helps to develop the characters. And so what I mean by that is, as you're reading a realistic fictional story, it may sound like the characters really are talking. Like it's something that could really happen. And what you are looking at here on your screen while I'm talking to you is the cover of a realistic fiction book. Today we are going to be reading Elisa's Diary. And it is a realistic fiction story, okay? And so what I want us to do is I want us to think about the title, Elisa's Diary, and I want us to think about the genre. Again, the genre is realistic fiction, okay? And I want you to think about, what do you know about moving to a new place? What would you want to learn, okay? Think about those things as we get started with reading our story today. But before I let you go, I want to again review with you point of view. Okay, and so point of view again basically is asking who is telling the story. We've talked about first, second, and third person. If it's first person, it was told by a character in the story, and some of the key words that you might see are I, me, we, us, right? Remember that first person point of view, that character only wants to talk about themselves. They could care less about what else is going on with the other characters, right? It's just me, okay? The second person POV is where the narrator would try to address you, the reader. And some key words that you might see are you, your, and yours. And our last POV is third person. And this is where the narrator is not a part of the story, okay? And so some of the key words that you guys may see is he, she, them, they, their. You think about it, we talked in class about like gossiping. You're talking about other characters in the story and telling what they were doing, okay? So as we are going to be looking at Elisa's Diary, again, I want us to be thinking about the genre, the realistic fiction. I want us to be thinking about what point of view that the story is being told from, okay? So let's get ourselves prepared to pull our stories up, and I will see you on the other side.